Okay, now let's continue with slopes. Continue with slopes. Like I was saying, it is the ratio of the rise over run. That is the slope. The ratio or the relationship points between x and y, or the ratio of the rise over the run. Okay? Now, how do we determine that? How do we determine that? Okay, there's a formula. There's a formula. Okay? Here's your formula. It is slope m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is extremely important. Slope m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, this is the rise. Y2 minus 1 is the rise, and x2 minus x1 is what? Is the run. Okay, now what does that mean? What do we do with that? What do we do with that? Well, if we have, okay, write these down. It's in your book anyway, but write these down. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is the slope formula. That's how do we determine the slope m. Okay. Okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, if you need to rewind it and get the formula again, I need to continue. Okay, slope. Okay, now if we have point here, point, let's say point over here, okay, like we were saying earlier, 1 and 1, and then we have another point here, 2 and 2 over here. Okay, so this is point 1, 1. Okay, and this is point 2, 2. Okay, we have, okay, y1 is what? Y1 is 1, right? Y2 is 2, right? X1 is 1, X2 is 1. X2, I'm sorry, 2. X2 is 2. Okay, Y1 equal 1, Y2 2, X1 1, X2 is 2. Okay, so this is X1, X2, Y1, Y2, right? Okay, so we just plug in. What is the slope? This is slope here. Okay, now you have a line here. But what does that mean for us? We don't know. So we need the slope m. Slope m, so it becomes y2 is 2, y2 is 2, and y1 is 1, right? x1, y1 here, and x2, y2 over here. Okay, so y2 is 2. You just plug in the values in the formula we had a minute ago. Okay, and x1 is x2 is 2. Okay, and x1 is 1. So we have m is 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So m is 1. That is the slope 1. That's it. That's it. Very easy. Again, we take it step by step, step by step. You find out what are the points, you put it in a formula. What is the formula? M equal y2 minus y1, which is the rise, over x2 minus x1, which is the run, and then you simplify. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, and which is makes it 1 over 1, which is equal 1. Okay, and that is the slope. That's how you define and work with the slope. Now, other values of slope, it can be here, maybe, oh, it can be here somewhere around here, like minus 2, and then on the x and y-axis is 1. So you just plug in the other values. It depends on the values of your question. So this is the formula for the slope. Okay, let's change those values again. Another example, another exercise. Only by exercise you learn. Okay, what if we have the y1 is 4 and y2 is 6? What if we have x1 as 3 and x2 is 4? Huh? Okay, again, we plug in. Okay. Well, actually, I want to do one thing negative to show you. How about x1 is negative 3? Okay, so m is y2 is 6 minus y1 is 4, right?